All right, so we're here talking components. We're gonna run through a few of the most key components we make, and the first one is the crossbox. Crossbox is a handy, great little toolbox. Perfect for carrying around your hand tools or things you need in your truck at all times, or maybe you want to switch out with other tools in your garage, but it comes with a small parts tray. You can fill it up. It's got a EPDM gasket, so it's virtually waterproof. Locking latches make it really easy to get into, and it nests inside the drawers. You can see it's shaped like the bottom of the deck drawer. Crossbox fits in the wide drawer sideways, and then when you put it in the narrow drawer in a midsize system, it actually fits that way. So that's a crossbox from Deck.